Greetings, Bible nerds! It is I, your famous... It is I, your friendly neighborhood Christian comic artist, artsy, Bible nerd, Bible nerd, Bible nerd, Bible nerd! Who am I again? What am I doing here? I know how to introduce myself. Let's see. Last time I streamed, I was on page 7, and here's what it looks like. Page 7 is hereby done. Done being colored. So we've done the penciling and the inking and the coloring, and next is the lettering. I think those balloons are a little too big, but it's my first time making balloons. Actually, I could make new balloons, couldn't I? I could. Except for, yep. But I really want to get this book done, so let's move on to page 8. And we're going to start by, let's see what happens. Border frames. Take that away. Take that away. Oh yeah. So we really have to put some white in these frames. So let's take care of that. So I did it. Last Sunday, I led the church service. And you know how artists, if you're an artist, you understand that anything that you do and you show to people, you really can't stand. You like it enough to show to people, but deep down in your heart, you realize how horrible it is. And people keep saying nice things about it, but you don't believe them. That's exactly how I felt about my first time ever leading the service. So I have to keep telling myself it was my first time. My expectations were bigger than in my mind, I'm thinking how I'm going to say things and how well it's going to be said. And I practiced it a bunch of times, and surely it'll be going just as well in real life as it did during practice. No, it did not. But that's okay. It's my first time. That's all I have to keep telling myself. It was my first time. And next time it will be better, hopefully. Just like art, just like anything else that you've ever done for the first time, it's not going to be perfect the very first time. I think it was okay. I think it was okay. I think I'm happy with how I wrote it. But not how I delivered it. Not with how I delivered it. And truth be told, it could have been written better also. So, but these are the things that I am getting down on myself about. So it's not because anyone else hated it or said, don't you ever do that again, or said, I'm not drummed out of the church. I'm not being shunned or banned. It's me who has a bad opinion of what I did. So, but, that is biblical, because all my good deeds are nothing but bloody rags. Dirty rags, excuse me. They meant bloody rags, but they just said dirty rags. So I turned up my microphone all the way. If you are being blown out by my microphone, please let me know. Actually, it doesn't look that bad. I'm looking at the levels. It's only getting into the yellow. It doesn't reach the red. So maybe I do have. I think I have a noise gate. It's been a long time since I set up a microphone. Oh, I guess I should change. I'm no longer prepping for the Jonah sermon. I'm going to change the title. What page is this? We're on page 8. All right, here we go. We're art streaming again. Nothing but art. Did I make a mistake there or not? Let's find out. Okay, I like it. Sorta, kinda. Now let's drop this. Select, deselect, and we're going to move a guide. Nope. Try again. Wow, got a lot of guides there. And cut.